Wow! Welcome to another episode of Adventure Bake Lab. Today, we're going to dye eggs. First, we need to add water.
Over them.
Next, we need to add a little bit of vinegar. We need to add food coloring. What colors do you want?
Blue and orange.
Okay, enough. Good.
It's blue.
What other color do you want?
Yellow. I make a mess right here. This is yellow.
Good. Enough. Good. Let's put one hard-boiled egg in each cup. You want help? Yep, just drop it in. Be careful dropping it in. Okay, yellow, blue, red. Good. Okay, and now we wait. Let's set these to the side. Next, we're going to use rice. Let's put the egg in.
Yes.
Put your egg in. Close it. Now shake it all around like this. Gently shake it, okay? What do you think?
Good. I'll do it again.
Let's try red in this one.
Did you get sight?
Oh, wow. Look at this one. Wow, look at this one. Wow. This one's orange. Should we see how it turned out?
Yeah.
Okay, open it. Dump all the rice out. Wow, look at this one.
I take the rice.
It matches my gloves. You see?
Take
Isn't
the
that one
rice
cool?
out. The rice is out.
Aren't these cool?
Look at the rice. Look
Yeah.
at the rice.
You dumped the rice out?
Everywhere. One here.
Should we try whipped cream?
Yeah. Ice cream.
It's whipped cream. Spread it all out. Do we need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, let's add some food coloring. Okay, what other color?
Yellow.
Now we need to mix it.
Chocolate. Ice cream. Colors. Rainbow.
Now let's put an egg in. Now let's move them around gently. Okay, do you want to do it too? You're putting the rice in.
Yeah.
Let's check the traditional version first. Okay, let's see how the red one turned out. Wow. Blue? Let's see how blue turned out. Blue, look at blue, your favorite color. Wow, so vibrant.
You do it too?
Yellow. Wow, look at green.
How to mix?
Look at green.
What's this one turn? Turn brown.
Okay, this was the traditional method. Let's see how the rice ones turned out. Let's rinse the rice off. So this is how they looked before we rinsed the dye off. Very colorful. This one, I already rinsed the dye off. Most of the food coloring just washed off from the water. Should I put it back in?
To mix this again.
Mix it again.
Take the egg out.
This was another adventure from Adventure Bake Lab. Bye-bye.
This is a big mess.
Will you help me?
No, you put it by yourself.